Hey, it's Kate with WTI. Now, if you want to play basketball from morning till night, you have to check out this basketball from HoloCiao. What makes this super unique is that it glows in the dark. So it's got this gorgeous, super bright glow so that you can easily spot it when the sun goes down. All you have to do is leave it exposed to the sun during the day, and at night it will glow. This is a standard size basketball. It comes deflated when you receive it. Very easy to inflate with your own inflator. Once it's ready, it is good to go. It's nice and firm. It dribbles very well. It's been the perfect addition to our outdoor basketball court. It has all of these constellations on it, different moons and stars, very cool, a nice blue color. It's especially fun to be able to play in the dark. Even if your ball rolls away, you can spot it super easily. You can watch it as you swoosh into the basketball net. It's really fun to have that glowing ball. So if you're looking for something to not only enjoy during the day, but also at night, I think you'll really love this basketball, and that's my point of view.